You know, when a little paint go on a building, it make it look new and fabulous.
This is Children First's main office in Spanish Town, where around 50 students attend barbering and cosmetology classes. The non-governmental organization provides educational and counseling programs for children, and they're well needed. But of late, and the state of the compound provides a hint, Children First has itself been needing a bit of help. It's why Victoria Mutual Building Society stepped in recently.
Part of our mission is to partner with our communities to improve quality of life. And so we see this as a partnership with the people who run, with Claudette and the others who run Children First. We are partnering with them to help improve the quality of life for the young people in our community.
It is important to show the country that you're not only thinking about yourself, but the overall development and the smaller guy that's helping them where you can.
Areas where classes are normally kept, like under these sheds, and inside were cleaned and fresh paint was applied to equipment and surfaces which were either bare or rusty. Even this old bus, which is used to store desks and chairs, was cleaned up.
I volunteered because I believe that volunteerism offers an opportunity to define the future, rather than sitting around waiting on others to define it.
If I'm able to help the less fortunate or anyone in need of some upliftment, some encouragement, and I'm able to give up my time or resources, I would be always happy to volunteer.
The area was bushed as well, and bathroom facilities cleaned up.
Because of our reality, the limited resources we have, we spend on programming, so the location is not necessarily bashy. So it really needed some paint and it needed cleaning up. So it's a really good opportunity. Everybody just come in to clean and make the place feel good. It's already feeling new.
Co-founder and executive director of the Children's First, Claudette Pio, says the facility will get more notice.
And that's important in terms of continued work and support. And it's a very important posture because it's not about money. It's not about money, it's about the love and the feeling and the everything that goes with it. It's about the volunteerism and the volunteer spirit.
I think it is very important. All of these young people have great potential, and it just requires a few of us to invest in them. It may be a little time to do teaching or mentoring, to just share even one day, but it may be the effort to come and help to refurbish. It may cost you some cash to donate books or equipment. Whatever it is, just find out how you can get involved. I'm sure it will be appreciated, but most importantly, we would have made a difference in even one life.
I am Kirk Wright with a ray of hope.